HAMDI Mohamed is an up-and-coming politician in the U.S. Immigrating to Seattle when she was just 3 years old, HAMDI was another Somali who would journey outside her country of birth to realize her potential. 28 years later, she has been chosen as a Port of Seattle Commissioner. She becomes the first Somali woman to hold such an office in Washington State. Her mother worked at SeaTac, Seattle-Tacoma Airport, when she was a girl. HAMDI's husband, Daoud Ali, also worked at the facility. Now she will be one of the key government officials setting policy for the airport and the other important port facilities at one of the West Coast's most dynamic cities. HAMDI's dedication to public service came early. Needing to earn money for her family's expenses, she took a job as a tutor at just 15. She went on to roles for prominent charity organizations, including CARE and the Refugee Women Alliance. From there, she worked in the King County Executive Office, where she was responsible for immigrants, including providing training development. HAMDI was also an aide to Pramila Jayapal, one of the U.S. Congress's most vocal progressive leaders. She even helped Joe Biden get elected president. In HAMDI's new role, she hopes to concentrate on helping small businesses recover from the damage caused by the coronavirus pandemic. In her campaign, she pledged to streamline operations at Seattle's waterfront, improving freight mobility. She also promised to invest in high-speed rail, creating 24,000 jobs. HAMDI has also proposed a small business recovery task force. And climate change will be on our plate as well, as she takes on a very ambitious agenda. HAMDI's campaign appeared to be facing very tough odds. The incumbent that she outpolled to get one of the 3 commissioner seats had been in place for 8 years. But HAMDI rallied the community around her with an impressive live and virtual campaign. She joins a 33-year-old Japanese American as well as a 44-year-old on the commission, representing a generational change at the state's ports. ADN-TV congratulates HAMDI Mohamed on her impressive victory and looks forward to reporting on her accomplishments as she takes on her new post. ADN-TV will continue to report on achievements by Somalis across the globe.